What is going on, folks? I'm back with a comparison between the two HP Laserjet color printer that I have. These are basically, this is an older model right here, and this is the newer model. And today I'm going to do a comparison for you guys between these two, because as I'm looking online, I'm wondering myself if it's worth getting the upgrade or not. Because we all know that we can find a lower price for the older model. So that's the real question right here. Should you get the new one or the older model? Anyway, let's do a quick comparison real quick between the differences that I've noticed so far. I just got this one in, so I'm still trying to figure everything out. The first thing that I do notice aesthetically is that obviously the whole black, they don't want an all white printer anymore, that's for sure. But the biggest difference though is this screen right here. Guys, this screen, I have to say, is very, very responsive when it comes to doing tasks on the screen. Meaning that when I enter my password or anything like that for my Wi-Fi on this printer, you can actually punch it right here, and it actually is pretty responsive. It's like an Android device, actually. So it is very useful with the screen being upgraded. It is slightly bigger as well. And I think the brightness to me is kind of the same. Both of them, the screen do swivel up and down. And at the same time, the USB port in the front, they still left it alone. No problem there. All the trays that you insert papers and things like that is the exact same. You still get the Ethernet port in the back, also USB 2.0 in the back. If you're still using USB 2.0, it's still there. The power port is literally the same, so nothing has changed about that at all. The way you open the back, the toners, everything right there is the same. And last but not least, as you can see, the size right here, it's pretty much the same exact size. I would think that, you know, things would be smaller or anything like that, but no, guys, exact same size here. All right, so I would say that aesthetically, the screen is an upgrade. Definitely an upgrade on that one. So I would definitely get the newer one because of the newer screen. It's actually a lot easier. It's actually a lot more responsive than the other screen. Now, the last part of our segment, what I want to do is I actually want to do a test print on both of these to let you guys see the quality on them. Obviously, the quality is going to be fantastic already. You already know that. But I want to see how fast. And that's why I'm going to do a comparison right now. I'm going to get two phones out. I'm going to print the same websites. I'm going to do a 5-page printout, by the way. And then I'm going to let you guys see that. All right. All right. So I am using the same browser to print. And then we are going to select one phone. Actually, you know what? I don't want to print all 51 page. I want to print 5 pages. Now, one of them is selected to the newer printer, while the other one is selected to the right-hand side there, the older model. So I'm going to print 5 pages. I'm going to do double side on those 5 pages. It will be in color on both of them. All right. There will be an orientation portrait mode. And last but not least, as you can see, both printers are kind of asleep right now. Look at the screen. That thing is blinky over there. So that means it's in sleep mode. And what I'm going to do is I want to wake it up with a print job. So let's go here. I'm going to hit print. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's see here. This one already are printing, and it's trying to print the backside. That one's printing the backside now. This one, first page come out. It's printing second page. That one, first page, now just came out. This one, second page came out. And then this one, oh, second page came on. This one, now third page, this one is done. And that one is done now too. So slightly slower, I would say, on the startup job, on the older model. The new one just like kicks it in really quickly. And I guess that's the reason why on the box of the newer one, they actually said that it is more reliable when it's asleep. On the box, they literally listed that. Now let's take a look at the comparison between the quality of this. Guys, you're not gonna tell the difference between these two. They're both great quality. I mean, they're Laserjet, so that's one reason why you get a Laserjet, is because the clean, crisp text that goes on here. There's literally like no differences between the two at all. See? At all. You can't even tell the difference if I didn't tell you. So here it is, picture on the first print. Here it is on the second print. I'm gonna put it next to each other. There are no differences, guys. Yeah. This one right here is the older printer. And this one right here is the newer one. So with a faster print job, just slightly faster with the 5-page, I say it's not worth the upgrade. But let's say if you're always printing a 50-page document, I think that would be a bigger upgrade. I mean, if you keep doing that every single day, I think that would be a good upgrade to get. Now, the last thing I do want to point out is that because of this new screen right here, I can actually see what job that's going on right now by just swiping down. And I can see all the jobs that's going on right now. With the other one, I honestly, after using it for 2 years, I have not been able to figure out a lot of things on this. So yeah, I wouldn't know where to go. But here, it works like an Android phone, to be honest with you. You just swipe it down, you see all the job that's going on. Anyway, guys, I hope this video is useful for you guys. When I look at these two online, that's the question that I have, is that, well, what is the big deal about the upgrade here? And I hope it answered a lot of your questions. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.